I'll tell you, I'm gonna let you finish. But Tigger's Honey Hunt is the third best video game of all time. Of all time!
How long have you been planning that?
Not at all. That was totally improv, man.
Okay.
Look at the triangle grass. Okay. So we need to go mail a thing. That's what Nook told us.
Oh,
to do.
okay.
Pages!
What?
We can... Oh, yeah. If you want to shake trees... Oh, there's our house.
Look at him, he watches us everywhere we go.
Yeah, he's a gyroid. That's what he does. He's like... For anyone wondering what... For anyone wondering what gyroids actually sounded like, it's that.
And this one's dead.
he's literally like...
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm so fucking dead. I'm dead, and like we've only been recording for like an hour.
I know. Our attention span is so little.
Okay, I think yeah, there it is. I think
What?
Okay. Yeah, what's this? Write letter. Oh, we get to write something to
Penny?
No, it's to Portia.
Portia.
What are you doing?
Nothing good.
Poor Portia. I know where this is going. And you're a terrible fucking person. Suck my horns. Also, like, I'm not done yet. God, why?
She needs to know.
Oh God. Okay. The end. I swear to Christ. God damn it. The end.
Why didn't you do that? Like it ready. Stop it.
Just write it as one word, like then. I swear to Christ, if you say, God damn it. I'm going to murder you. Okay. So we're setting. Okay. Portia, hope you enjoy.
From the council.
So, while we were taking a break between episodes, me and Nate found what we're going to do as the goal of this series. Because Animal Crossing never ends. It's a lifetime game. You just can't end it. And you can't die. So, that's out of the question. So, that'd be really depressing if you fucking died. If, like, you
just, I'm gonna start up Animal Crossing. You died.
It's like,
Jesus!
it's super depressing.
Like, the council died in his sleep.
Like, you know how, like, some
Jesus.
people have had this game for, like, I don't even know how long. This came out in 2001.
Yeah,
So
2001, 2002.
How long has this game been around then? Like, fucking almost 20...
12 years.
12 years. So, it's like, Portia... It's like just a tombstone where Portia's house used to be. It's like, Portia,
2001 to 2014.
It's like, oh no!
Like, oh god! Oh god!
Died of grief.
Like you do that whole Castaway Wilson! Portia!
So we get 130 pounds. Yeah! Fuck it. Okay.
I have to write a letter to somebody who lives 15 feet away from my house.
Yeah, really. What's the use of fucking mail? You literally just hair. Although it's probably for the best that she doesn't read that, like right while we're there.
I can just walk up to Portia and be like, suck the holes on my helmet. Also, your mom has cancer. The end. Also, rectum. Like, yeah.
Okay. So, I think what he... Oh, fuck it. Just press A. I don't even know.
Just hang around here and wait for me, so why don't you go help out the villagers? You may find you can do a little bit of work, and for damn, then you can maybe not better. Yes! Just be sure to come back here after a bit.
Okay. So, we gotta go around and talk to the villagers.
Yeah, let's go talk to Portia and see how she likes my letter.
I don't think... Because, whatever his name. Fucking... George. The name of the... I think his name is Bill. The name of the fucking mailman in Animal Crossing. He comes in the mornings and delivers mail, so I don't think she's gonna have it.
Ah, okay.
She might. I don't know. Because this game might be different.
Oh, no.
Thanks for wasting my time. We got a 10-minute time limit here, fucking Penny. You wasted it!
I don't think you understand the drastic measures here!
Penny isn't worth my time.
Whatever.
Oh.
What the hell?
Oh, it's a present. Shit, we don't have a fucking... we can't get it.
Wait! Wait!
We don't have a snapshot.
You see that?
Peaches?
Peaches. If it isn't again.
Okay. What do you want, Peaches? Fucking...
What were they doing with the camera at your house, Peaches?
Porn.
No, that's fucking gross. They were making a movie. A short film. A non-pornographic film. About peaches. The growth of peaches.
You want to see what someone could do with the camera? I'm filming you. I'm filming you. This is going on the video. This is going on the video. Hi.
What the hell was that?
I recorded a video of you on my iPhone.
I forget where Cody lives.
He's down.
He was the nice one.
Yeah.
That didn't make fun of his name.
Yeah, he's the bear. I think he's a bear.
Bear dog thing.
Yeah.
Hey,
Peaches.
Get out of the way! I'm stuck by a tree.
So, if oh yeah. I'm tired. let's just have a nap sesh after this. Can we do that?
School days, man. Like,
we have no room to complain. Every other member of the council literally just got out of school.
Yeah, we're part-time students. We're the only council members that are part-time students.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do you not remember? We have a map now. Press X.
I was so close.
Rebecca Poke. Oh, yeah, a friend request.
Oh wait, that's Stu.
Oh no, that's not the bear thing.
I know.
That's not him.
I know. That's him right there. I'm
But
just
that's not
asking
him.
him something.
They're both blue. That's weird.
Here, this is him. Okay. Jesus.
That's not him.
Calm down. All right.
No. I'm gonna look up on the Animal Crossing wiki who that fucking mouse was. Yes, Animal Crossing wiki is a thing. Okay. In the next episode, I'm gonna figure out who the pig was and who the mouse was. Oh, what the fuck was that?
It's gonna be furniture.
Cool.
What is it? It's a leaf. Leaves go outside, Cody.
Okay, and with that, I'm gonna fucking end this. God damn it.
Goodbye.
Bye.